According to a statement released by Lockheed Martin on November 4, 2022, Sikorsky and DARPA demonstrated to the U.S. Army the capability of autonomous and unmanned flight on the Black Hawk helicopter. It was reported that external cargo resupply missions and rescue operation were carried out in the demonstration. Flights on October 12, 14, and 18 as part of the U.S. Army's Project Convergence 2022 (PC-22) experiment are intended to demonstrate how existing and future piloted utility helicopters could one day fly complex missions in reduced crew or autonomous mode. Such flights are planned to provide Army units and air forces with greater flexibility in how and when to use aircraft and pilots, particularly in limited visibility or harsh environments. Sikorsky had partnered with DARPA to improve the flight safety and efficiency of rotary and fixed-wing aircraft. Known as Sikorsky's Matrix technology, the system forms the basis of DARPA's ALIAS, In-Cockpit Automation System, project. We believe Matrix technology is now ready for transition to the Army, seeking to modernize its permanent helicopter fleet and purchase future vertical lift aircraft, said Igor Sharapinsky, director of Sikorsky Innovations. To begin the flight demonstrations, the pilots flew in and landed the Black Hawk aircraft, then activated the Matrix system to give the flight computer full control. Sikorsky and DARPA said that this technology will also continue to work for military operations such as aircrew support and operations, logistics and medical supplies, casualty evacuation and commercial applications such as firefighting, cargo and urban air mobility.